Business Skills Institute, a hub for modern skill development in today's rapidly evolving digital world. Having relevant and up-to-date skills is more important than ever before. With technology constantly changing, it's essential to stay ahead of the curve if you want to succeed in any industry. That's where the Business Skills Institute comes in, a hub for modern skill development. The Institute offers a range of courses to help students acquire the skills they need to thrive in today's tech-driven world. Here's a look at some of the courses offered at the Business Skills Institute. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is a crucial component of any successful business. In this course, students will learn how to create effective digital marketing strategies, including search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and more. They'll also learn how to measure the success of their campaigns and adjust their strategies as needed. Web development. In today's digital age, every business needs a website. In this course, students will learn how to create professional-grade websites from scratch. They'll learn how to code using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and will gain hands-on experience building websites using popular content management systems like WordPress. Android application development. Android is the most popular mobile operating system in the world, and there's never been a better time to learn how to develop for it. In this course, students will learn how to create powerful Android applications using Java and Kotlin. They'll learn how to design user interfaces, implement networking and data storage, and publish their apps to the Google Play Store. Flutter. Flutter is a relatively new cross-platform framework for mobile app development. In this course, students will learn how to use Flutter to build high-quality apps for both Android and iOS devices. They'll learn how to create engaging user interfaces, work with widgets, and implement networking and data storage. Graphic designing. Graphic design is a crucial part of any successful business's branding and marketing efforts. In this course, students will learn how to use industry-standard tools like Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator to create professional-grade graphics. They'll learn about color theory, typography, composition, and more. Video editing. Video is a powerful marketing tool, and knowing how to edit video is an essential skill in today's digital age. In this course, students will learn how to use popular video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro. They'll learn how to import, edit, and export video, as well as how to add special effects and audio. WordPress. WordPress is the most popular content management system in the world, and it powers millions of websites. In this course, students will learn how to use WordPress to create and manage websites. They'll learn how to install WordPress, create and manage pages and posts, and use plugins and themes to customize their websites. Why choose the Business Skills Institute? The Business Skills Institute is a one-stop shop for all your modern skill development needs. Here are a few reasons why you should choose the Institute. Experienced instructors. All of the Institute's courses are taught by experienced instructors who are experts in their fields. They'll provide personalized instruction and feedback to help you learn the skills you need to succeed. Hands-on learning. The Institute emphasizes hands-on learning, so you'll gain practical experience in your chosen field. You'll have access to state-of-the-art equipment and software to help you hone your skills. Flexible scheduling. The Institute offers flexible scheduling, so you can take courses on a schedule that works for you. Whether you're a full-time student, working professional, or somewhere in between, you can find courses that fit.